So in the workshop here, I've been using LPG and oxygen in lieu of acetylene. The main reason for it is that the LPG is a lot cheaper to buy. To repair a copper joint, first make sure your copper's clean. Also clean inside your fitting. I'll be using a silver solder to do this. Don't use lead on your pipes that you're going to drink water out of for obvious reasons. This is silver. I think this one's a 5%. Because we're going copper to copper with this silver solder, there's no need to flux. If you're going copper to a brass fitting, you'll then need to flux. First we turn on the LPG just a little bit, and then slowly introduce the oxygen. I'll heat the whole joint up at the moment because these are capillary fittings. We'll heat the pipe up more so it heats up inside there, because we want to suck the silver solder into the joint. I'll just quench that. As you can see, that's a nice joint. That's actually sucked that all into that fitting. Don't overdo it because you don't want your silver solder ending up inside the pipe and making a mess either. Less is better. So next use is just general brazing. I'm going to be using the Tech rod 146 FT. They're a brass flux one. I'm going to heat the steel up. I've only cleaned this a little bit, as it's just for a demo. I'm not a master at this, but that's just to give you a general idea. So it gives a reasonable nice joint. You can see I haven't done anything on the other side. It doesn't go as hot as the acetylene, but for everything I do, it seems to go okay. Main areas I use this is for silver soldering copper lines for drinking water, brazing with brass, also repair a cast iron. And the other place where it always comes in handy is if I snap a bolt off, which I've got a short on that. I'll link that in the video. So when you buy these, best is buy it as a kit. Don't go buy second-hand gas gear. Just buy it new. It's not worth possible safety risk using old mismatched equipment. If you buy as a kit, you're going to get everything you need. It's all going to be matched and you won't have any issues.